miles an hour, as recorded by the Guinness Book of World Records. It's now Ladies with the Taxi.
The Corvette.
Check this thing out. Shockwave the jet truck, 36,000 horses, is about to enter the runway and run at that speed. 3 G's on acceleration, enough power to rate ratio on the F-16. Flown by the Air Force, 0 to 60 in 1.5 seconds. Chris Darnell shares the driving responsibilities of Flash Fire today with his dad, Neil. Today, though, Neil is driving the Corvette we saw. Many, many years, he and his family have been in the motorsports promotion business. Chris, though, he's competed many different types of racing over the years, from drag racing to circle track and even beyond. He has literally done it all when it comes to racing. And what a great guy, a great family man. Like kids are doing today, and if you want to meet Chris Darnell and Neil, you can do it. Just go there to Shockwave. They have lots of t-shirts and great Shockwave merchandise on sale. Just look for the truck, and you will find Chris and the entire family. Now, please like them on Facebook. Do that right now. Facebook.com/ShockwaveJetTruck. Again, Facebook.com/ShockwaveJetTruck. They want to see your photos. They want to see the pictures from today's run. Now, come on, kids. You got a few more moments to make your way up to see Shockwave. Just look at this. The crowd is coming out for this one. And Shockwave is ready to run. Let's watch now as he sets up on the departure end of the runway. Good morning, Doug Nesbitt. Glad you're here, sir. The business director. Tarbox, Budweiser, CBS, all of our sponsors. Pratt & Whitney, thank you. And now, Rhode Island. Let's hear it. Are you ready to see Shockwave run the track today at over 375 miles an hour? Reaching the speed of smell, Shockwave will soon depart the runway. Watch him now. The engines are coming up to speed. Neil Darnell completing the final safety checks. The peanuts are up, the tray tables are fastened, and Chris's seatbelt is firmly secured to the frame of this impressive one-of-a-kind jet truck. We're watching now. The jet engines are coming up to full speed. We can see Neil going to the truck, and apparently Jay Rabbit apparently we have a slight malfunction with Shockwave. Oh, I'm so sorry. Safety is paramount, though. And it looks like we have a small delay on Shockwave the jet truck. Let's just see here. Small delay on Shockwave. So maybe this afternoon. I'm told from Brendan, maybe this afternoon we'll see Jay Rabbit reminds me of going to listen to you play, you and Coy, when you have a band. It's like all this huff and guff and oh man, Jay Rabbit. All right, well, I'm disappointed because I had lunch money on whether or not he would break 375 out here today. That's okay though, J Rabbit. We'll do this later. I'm at 146 J Rabbits right now. 147 and counting.